Hey Quiet Asian, and I'm Paris here, and I do this with my sister Molly. And I looked at your trade offers, and I really liked the puffy clay for the squishies. Um, and if I caught it right, you're just giving the clay, not the donuts. Um, if you're giving the donuts, I'd be fine with that. But I really like the clay, and I really like the bigger Hello Kitty memo pad. So um, I wanted to show you this. I actually got this last week, and it's a Hello Kitty raiment. This is the bag that it came in. I'm keeping this one, but I'm going back to Creative Kid Stuff. That's where I got it. It was either it was like $3 to $7, somewhere in that price range. I do not remember. That's a very short memory. Um, but this is like the box it came in, or the little packaging, and I got this cream puff macaroni thing, and they don't really have a smell to them. At least this one, it smells a little sweet, I would think now. Um, but I'll show you the little pamphlet. So this is the one that I got, and I don't even know what that is. It looks like a whipped cream thing or something. And then the other one, and this one is like a cookie or a biscuit. It has little chocolate looking thing in it, and this is like a bread. And this again. And so they have some other ones. I don't know if they have, I think they have other Hello Kitty ones, I'm not sure. But I went online to go see which ones they have, and they do not have all of them online. So, like, don't go online because they don't have them. Like, I looked everywhere. So, yeah. Also, I'm keeping this one. It's my first one ever, and I just opened it today actually because I forgot about it because I didn't even know what it was when I got it. And then I have these other little things here. This is a little hair binder, and it's yellow, but it has that little thing in it, which I don't really like those. And then it has like those little things, whatever they're called. And then I have this little cute bunny eraser. It doesn't have any smell to it. It kind of smells like an eraser. And then there's this Disney eraser. That's just the brand of it, and it goes on the end of your pencil, and it's a little heart rhinestone. And this blue with like rainbow things in it. It's not really stretchy. Anklet or bracelet or whatever. Then we have this memo pad, which it says Hello Kitty on there. It's like a crossword puzzle. And here's the little thing for it in the paper. And then we have this other Hello Kitty memo pad. It has a little thing like that. Um, there, and the paper looks like this, and it also has stickers in here, and none of them have been used, which is an upside to it. And here is and maybe we might go to Target. I'm not sure. They always have like they most of the time they have like Hello Kitty things in the dollar section. So you probably won't be able to get back to me by tomorrow, but I'll probably still get some more raiments there because I love them. They're really awesome. So anyway, the ones that I really liked were the slushy, kind of squishy clay and the bigger memo paper of the Hello Kitty. Thank you.